In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a network graph visual chart in Tableau. Creating a network graph is a powerful way to visualize relationships within your data set, offering insights that may not be immediately apparent through standard reports or charts. So, let's dive in and get started with Tableau Public. First, you'll want to open the Tableau Public application. If you don't have it yet, you can easily download it from Tableau's official website. Once you're in, access your worksheet where you'll be crafting your network graph. It's important you have your data prepared beforehand, as a clean and structured data set will make the visualization process much smoother. Now in your worksheet, begin by taking your Y field from your data pane and dragging it to the rows area, not once but twice. Doing this creates two separate Y-axis representations, a crucial step for establishing dual-axis functionality. Make sure both instances of your Y field are set to continuous and dimension. This setting allows for a more fluid and visually informative representation of your data. Next, right-click on the second instance of Y in your rows and select Dual Axis. This aligns both of your Y-axes overlaid, giving you the freedom to manipulate them using different marks, which will be essential for our network visualization. Now, drag your X field to the columns area. This defines the horizontal spread of your data points, laying the groundwork for your graph structure. Moving on to the marks card, switch the type of your first Y field to line. This will act as the connecting element within your network graph, visually linking related data points. Then change the second Y field to circle, which will represent the individual data points or nodes in your network. To enhance your visualization, drag the region field to the color shelf on the second marks card. This applies color coding to your circles, allowing each region's data points to be visually distinct. At this stage, your graph should start to resemble a network structure with lines connecting circles. Subsequently, take the C index field and move it to the detail shelf of the first field. This step adds a layer of complexity and differentiation, ensuring your network graph accurately reflects the underlying data structure. Lastly, to further enrich the narrative your graph tells, drag the income group field to the color shelf on your first marks card. This additional layer of color coding distinguishes different income categories within your network, offering a deeper layer of visual analysis. And there you have it, a beautiful network graph visual chart using Tableau, ready to reveal insights and relationships hidden within your data. Remember, visualization is an art just as much as it is a science. Explore and adjust your graph to best convey the story your data wants to tell. Thank you for joining me, and happy charting.